Let's take a look at the next problem. We got 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. Our first method is GCF. There isn't any GCF here. Groupings 4 more terms. That doesn't fit. There's only 3 terms. PSD is close, except for there's a number in front of the x squared. Now, key numbers when you have x squared, x, no x, and there's no number. Or wait a minute. Let me say it again. X squared, x, no x, and there's a number in front of your x squared. So there's going to be key number. Key number, we take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. So we got 6 times 10 gives us 60. Then we're going to create our PSD table based upon that. We're going to write down all products give us 60. We got 1 times 60, P for product. 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, and 6 times 10. The S column, S for sum, we're going to add these together. 1 plus 60 is 61, 2 plus 30 is 32, 3 plus 20 is 23, 4 plus 15 is 19, 5 plus 12 is 17, 6 plus 10 is 16. A difference column, D for different. Difference. 60 minus 1 is 59. 30 minus 2 is 28. 20 minus 3 is 17. 15 minus 4 is 11. 12 minus 5 is 7. 10 minus 6 is 4. The number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 11, which is right here. So we're going to use 4 and 15. And we use it a little bit differently than the PSD. Remember, we rewrite our middle term using those two numbers. The larger number that we're using, which is 15, is always the same sign as the middle term, which is positive. So we got plus 15x. The number I circles in the difference column, D for different signs. So if 15 is positive, then the 4 has to be negative. We then factor by grouping. So group the first 2 terms together and the last 2 terms together. The first 2 terms have a GCF of, what does it have? 3 and an x. And that leaves us 2x plus 5. Now our second group, both divisible by 2, my first term is negative. So I'll factor out a negative 2. And that gives us 2x plus 5. Now our goal was to get the 2x plus, this, whatever's inside the parentheses, same. And we have it, 2x plus 5. So I'm going to factor out a 2x plus 5. And to decide what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can cross out the 2x plus 5s. And what isn't crossed out is what goes in here, which would be 3x minus 2. So our answer is 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 2.